TeacherTestPrep.com is a great online resource for credential students who are taking the various tests they have to take, their CBEST, their CSET. You go to TeacherTestPrep.com and then you create a free account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in here. The great thing about this website is it will really help you tailor your study time. So what I would suggest doing is first taking your practice test. You can choose for which test you're taking. Let's say I'm taking the CSET. From there, I can choose what version of the CSET I'm taking. Let's say I was multiple subject. And let's say I want to take subtest 1 first. From there, you click on it and you're able to go through a whole practice test. At the end, you'll submit for grading, and you can find those results on your dashboard under practice tests, and it really is clear exactly what test it was, what the score was. Another great resource that this website has is study guides. It really helps you narrow in on what you should study for which part of the test. It's clear and it's been beneficial to me. Luckily, I've passed all my exams, and I hope that you'll be able to use these materials to help you study for your tests as well. The majority of the support on this site is free. However, if you need extra support, you can pay for some tutoring or some additional prep classes. Overall, I found this online resource to be very helpful, and if you are in the future taking your CBEST or your CSET, I hope that you would use this online resource to study. Thanks for listening, and I hope this has been helpful.